Today's date is July 20th, 2025, and another project came up yesterday, so we got this board all ready to go for one of the buildings here on the plantation. Anyway, I just got through draining the cooling water from the hit and miss. I want to pressure wash that out of there. And that's what came out of it. So I'm going to just put some detergent on here and then pressure wash it and bring it back, get that filled up. And the other thing is, for whatever reason, because of the bouncing that it goes through, this mounting system that came with it has broken. So I'm going to pull that off after I clean it and maybe just try and glue it together. I don't know if I might have some liquid nails here. So anyway, I want to get that fixed so that this always runs when Pete wants to show it to somebody. So other than that, I'll be back later. Okay, I'm back. I got the put some soap on it. I've been trying to clean this out. It's gradually getting there, but it's like moss or something is growing in there. I've got some CLR. Maybe I'll just try a little bit in there with that. So I got this all cleaned up, and I'm gonna just let the sun bake it. It's about 100 something today, and then I'll begin waking this up again, putting new oil on everything, on the gears and all that. Put some on the valves right there. So anyway, I'll be back. That's where we're at. I still have to pull this plate off here, so I think I'll do that next while this is drying. So I'll be back. I'm back. It's been a couple hours. It took a long time to clean this out in here. There was a layer of oil. I think it's this. Somehow I think this oil right here got in here over the years, and it was all hanging from underneath the top of the... So when you would fill this, the water would get hot and it would kind of bake it on there. It took me a long time. So right now the water is clear right there, and much better for getting rid of the heat. It'd probably run about 10 degrees cooler. So it's all clean now. I'm just getting the battery and the vibrator set up. So anyway, I'm gonna drill the holes in here. When they screwed it in, they didn't drill any holes, so I'm going to drill some holes here, anchor it. That'll anchor the battery and the Ford coil. So I will be back and we'll do a startup when I'm done. Today's date is July 25th or 21st, 2025, and I wasn't able to finish the other video because there's a problem with this GoPro. It just won't stay on for some reason. I got to go through the files. So anyway, I'm going to be pulling this out back and finishing up the video I started yesterday when I was cleaning this up. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to fill the gas tank right now. That's this right here. Looks like it's going to take the small one. Let's see here. Okay, well, it's filled. Okay, this is the part of the video I didn't get to do yesterday because it wasn't recording. I'm having problems with this stupid camera. Anyway, if it stays on, I wanted to finish up the video from yesterday to show where I got the wiring all cleared up and everything. I put it in the spiral wrap, cleaned that all up, got this ignition side all set up. This wasn't down very tight, so I got that anchored down, and it looks like these are spreading. I may have to do something about that. See that crack right there? So I guess after you start using this stuff, it wears out. So anyway, I'm gonna see what I can do to keep these all. These are really nice woodworking on this. So anyway, I'm gonna go through a starting sequence, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Nothing's going very well today. Okay, so what I do when I start this thing is there's a compression release right here. So I keep that open. I close the choke over here, right here on the carburetor. While there's no compression, this thing really has high compression. So I do that a little bit. Then I'll add a little compression. I go about halfway. Okay, and then I take the choke off and I turn on the ignition. And that's what it takes to start it. So now I'll turn on the lubrication for the piston. So when I stop this, I basically take the compression off. And then I just let it coast down. Then after you turn it off, the next thing is you got to turn off the oiler. Otherwise that'll drain all the way into through the whole piston and everything. So now over the time I've been able to get this starting thing down to a pretty good science, and without much effort than what we were doing in the beginning. So anyway, that's the end of this video. That's what I wanted to get done. So I'll be back. Okay, this is an addendum to me closing out the video. I had a moment of insight. So the way these points work is they're making a contact and going to ground in order for this to operate the Model T coil. So what I have is I have a how many watt is this? I think it's like 1 or 5 watts or something. It's real old. I got this in 2001 or 2 or something like that from Harbor Freight, but it's enough to charge this. It puts out 24 volts as soon as you put a load on it, so that keeps this battery charged. And now I can do this. And the now you can operate the thing. So this is the battery charger for the hit and miss. So the battery's way up, so I don't need to charge it right now. So I'm going to kind of lock this thing up and get on start building a jet. So that's the end of this video for sure.